Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to Shopify. So there are a lot of methods to add Calendly to Shopify page. First of all, you will need to have a Calendly account and of course a Shopify account. Make sure to go to your Calendly as an example, and you can go and create an example, an event or something to be added to your Shopify. Now, as I said, there are two methods or even more methods to add Calendly to your Shopify store. You can add Calendly to a Shopify page, and you can add Calendly using some custom liquid code, and you can even add Calendly button. As an example, if you want to add it to a Shopify page, you can go to Calendly as an example, first of all, and right here, you can go as an example, let's say this one, like this event, click on the three dots, and right here, you'll find this add to website. This will pop out to you, and they'll show you how do you want to add it, as an inline embed, as a pop-out widget, or as a pop-up text. So it's totally up to you. Let's say, as an example, I want this as a pop-up widget. Click on continue, and here they'll give you some code to embed. Before taking the code, you can edit some stuff like the button text, like maybe schedule with me, or you want to change it, the colors, as you can see. And if you have any booking page settings, as an example, that you want to edit, you'll be able to do so. So once you're done, just go and click on copy code. And now we have the code ready. So let's just go back to our Shopify. And right here on the left panel, click on online store. And on the right panel or left panel, normally you should find yourself per default and themes. So make sure to go and click on pages. So as you can see here, where I have all the pages that I have, you can go as an example and try to add it from here if you want to. Or if you want to go to your themes right away and click on edit theme from here. So if you don't want to add it, you just want to add it like right away right here in a section, we just go and add like a section right here. And of course, we will have to look for HTML, like custom HTML code. So if HTML does show, you can just go and type custom, yeah, like that, and add this. So here's it, it's added right here. And here you are at the right, you'll be able to paste your custom code. So just go and paste that. As you can see, here's the code right there. You'll be able to choose the color scheme and stuff like that. And if you have any custom CSS code that you want to add, you'll be able to add it here. So once you're done, just go and click on save as an example. And if you can see, this appears. So schedule time with me powered by Calendly. This is the thing that we added. As I said, there are other methods to add it using, I don't know, other methods that I mentioned earlier, but this is for me is the best because as you can see, it will look small right here. So it's not even annoying. Of course, you can choose other ways, as I said, to embed it as a text, as embed or inline embed. So it's totally up to you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.